Hey guys, it's me, Paige, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I have a totally different video for you guys. As you guys know, I am doing a back to school series, clothing haul episode 1. So make sure you go watch that. Today I'm going to be packing my book bag. You guys are going to be packing my book bag with me. This includes emergency kit plus school supplies. If you're new here, hi, my name is Paige VLS. I post different varieties of content. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like, share, comment, and subscribe, and hit the bell to stay tuned for this. Let's get straight into it. So the first thing I'm going to show you guys is my backpack. This book bag was $150. Remind you guys, I always had like the pink book bags, the Victoria's Secret type of book bags, the ones that say pink. I always had them. Like, those were my go-to book bags. I have a Tommy Hilfiger one. I was younger, like in elementary school, I loved Justice, so I was always getting like Justice book bags and stuff. So since it's my senior year in high school, I was like, let me try something different. So this is the bag that it came in, y'all. This is the book bag. Y'all see that? She fire. This is what the bag look like. I was just highly excited, y'all. It's a nice size. It's not like dumb big and it's not like dumb small. I'm not gonna take this off. I'm gonna keep this on there. I'm gonna just take this paper part off and take the paper off of the other parts too. I didn't know that it was like this. This is the bottom of the book bag. This is for luggage, so if I had like a suitcase, all I had to do is slide the book bag on top and the suitcase handle will come up the top, so I can just roll it on there. This sticker, so cute, y'all. Let's now get into supplies. I have these two Yobi pink folders. These folders have pockets in the inside. You want to say hi?
Yes. What were you rated? Hi.
I wanted my theme this year to be pink. I wanted everything to be pink. And then, y'all, like I said, I only had 5 classes since I'm a senior this year. I got 5 pink notebooks. By the way, I got all of these items from Target. These notebooks are so cute, y'all. Like, this pink, y'all. Y'all can't tell me it's not cute. I'm not going to put all of these notebooks in my bag at one time. On one day, I'm going to have 1 notebook, and on the other day, I'm going to have, like, 4. It shouldn't be that heavy in my book bag. It should be fine. Let's get into pencils. This is my pencil case I'm going to use. I had used this one last year. This was a brand new one. Like last year, I want to say at the end of the school year, I got this. So I'm going to use it. It's so cute. It's like soft material in the inside. I have pens in there. I'm going to go through like my pens and pencils and figure out which ones I'm going to actually take with me this year. And then I have all of this extra stuff, like pens and stuff that I'll definitely just reuse this year. And I'm gonna pack this thing up and then load up my book bag. Got some new mechanicals. Got these right here. These are 0.7. Y'all see these colors? This is so cute and it's pink. We're done with the supplies. So the next thing we're gonna get into is the emergency kit slash accessories, okay? I simply just threw these in the washer and the dryer because inside is brown and it's like fabricy in the inside. And not only are these like convenient, these have pockets in the inside, guys. Like they have pockets, so I can organize things the way that I need to. One is gonna be like my beauty bag, and then the other one's gonna be like accessories, like things that I have to have with me all day, every day. So yeah, let's get into that part. So the first thing I'm gonna show you guys is this mini carry-on hand sanitizer. I have to have hand sanitizer with me because you know how like you hold somebody's pencil or they whatever the case may be, and you just like, oh, I know that person like scratch that butt low key. Yeah, like you just need to have hand sanitizer because you never know, y'all. And then this is germs going around. It's just so much, especially when you go to school. People be coming to school sick, but it just be so many germs. Some people don't wash their hands, so you always got to keep this on you. If the school bathroom don't have soap, always keep this on you, y'all. So I have that. The next thing is my girlies who have really bad menstrual cramps. Y'all know what that's like, having to leave school early, coming back home, crying at school because your cramps so bad, y'all. I don't want to be like that this year. Like this year I cannot miss no days. I gotta be, you know, I can't be on no chicken type stuff. So I have my Advil on hand and ready. This is the PM kind, but this doesn't really make me sleepy. It helps with the cramps. It really does. So I'm gonna see how many I have in here. I have a lot in here. I have a lot, and I got this I remember ordering this on the 4th of July because on the 4th of July I had my menstrual cycle and y'all, yeah, that was just over that. I have my inhaler for my girls who have asthma. Guys who have asthma, y'all know you gotta keep this on y'all at all times. I have 2 menstrual pads just in case. Could never be too careful. Yes, the school does provide those, but I do not prefer those. I have a honey pot one and then I have a pure one. The pure one is just a regular pad. I'm not sure if it's scented or not. It's not thick, but it's not the thin pad. So it's not like bulky where it's like you're wearing a diaper, okay? And then this one has cooling herbs and it helps with menstrual cramps. So yeah, I'm gonna keep those in my bag just in case. My school device charger in there. This is my charger. The school device charger, someone stole mine, so y'all, I got a white one, which is pretty cute. I use this for my HP as well. So this is my personal charger for my computer. Allergy medicine, this is Benadryl. You have to always keep this on you because in case of allergic reaction, or you touch something that you didn't know you was allergic to, or you touch dust, you will not break into hives. So I'm gonna keep this on me at all times. Yeah, I think I'm pretty covered with the emergency kit. Now let's get into the beauty part. Y'all, chapstick, because y'all, it's times where my lips be feeling like sandpaper, y'all, and you don't want to be talking to a teacher or a classmate or a peer and your lips look like they about to run off. Like, you don't want to look like that. So always keep you some chapstick, and this isn't the only one that I have. I also have this one too. This one is Shea Butter Lip Therapy, and this one is just the chapstick brand. But this one, I love the way that this smells, y'all. I love the way that this one smells. It smells amazing. It doesn't smell cheap. It doesn't smell disgusting. It smells good. It doesn't taste funny. This is also, oh, this also has a SPF 15 serum in the inside, and it's sunscreen included, so your lips are not going to have discoloration and they aren't going to feel like sandpaper. So yeah, it has vitamin A and E oil. I do prefer these type of chapsticks over glossy lip gloss because you're basically covering the surface of the dryness, but you're not really getting into lip pores, whereas though it lasts for a long time. Just have these on deck. Even if you have lip gloss, just keep your chapstick on you. The next thing we got is a scrunchie in case you wearing a bun, ponies. It been times where I was wearing like a bun, a ponytail, and I'm trying to fix my hair in the mirror and it pops, so I had an extra in my bag. I was like, thank God. So yeah, keep those in your bag. Then I have this hand cream because my skin, like in the middle of my fingers, it do be cracking, like I'm not gonna lie. So we got this hand cream. It smells super good. This has vitamin E, aloe vera, shea cocoa butter, and this is also shea butter. And this is called 1,000 Wishes, y'all. So get this. I know y'all probably already got it, already had it. Get it again. The next thing we're gonna get into is eyelash glue. And he said, my girlies who wear strips, who don't always go get their lashes done, know what it's like when you have a nice pair of strips on and you want to look cute, but it ends up wanting to come off. So you don't have no other choice but to walk around with no lashes on after you came in the building with lashes on. So now people looking at you like, well, what happened to our lashes? You get what I'm saying? So this right here is going to do the job in case they decide to. So that's it for today's vlog. Thank you guys for watching. Like, share, comment, and subscribe, and hit the bell to stay tuned for more of this. And be tuned for the next videos coming up, because like I say, oh, this is a series, so don't forget about that. So yeah, count up the hundreds, I promise some pressure. Give you some gain and slow motivation. We need the gas, head in the place. Switch up the swag, switch up the band. Nigga, they